Oh my gosh, it's raining. Ah! Hey guys, it's me, Amir Hams. As you know, I am going to eat and GameStop. Go do a GameStop prank. No, not prank. Just sneak my camera into GameStop. As you know, I'm going up to the park. Oh my god, I was like, as you know, I'm gonna try to make you dizzy. Yeah, that was fun. So I'm at the intersection, and yeah, I'm close to GameStop. So yeah, let's skip to the part where I go to GameStop. So yeah, let's just skip it to this part, okay? So yeah. Oh my gosh, it's raining! Ah! We're at GameStop. I need to put my camera away because it's raining. Plus, I think they won't allow me to bring cameras. So yeah, let me just put it here. Skip. I think it's recording. Oh, it's in my pocket. Gotta let out some things. And my pocket sucks. How about this? Now let's head in. Alright, let's go. Okay, I sort of turned off my camera by accident, but I'm gonna record now again, cause my stupid pants. So let's just put it in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, like that. Just put it in. Let's see. Do you have a disc to this? I want to see the condition.
Pretty mint. No scratches or nothing.
Oh. Okay, never mind. Oh my god. This is actually so fun.
Yeah, that one. Oh, is it because, I thought it was today. I guess it must be Friday, Bolton.
Okay, I'm still getting mad Black Ops. As you saw that, a pre-order copy. I don't have money now, but later I'm gonna bring some. Maybe I have money, but I might get into pre-ordering it. There's nothing that good. So anyways, yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go eat lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that. So let's skip to that. Oh my god, I'm so almost done eating. Yeah, so good salmon. Oh fuck. Hey guys, it's finally sunny again, not raining anymore. So yeah, we're back at GameStop. So yeah, I'm not gonna film anymore because I don't wanna get in trouble. So yeah, see you guys. So comment, rate, and subscribe on my 3 channels. So and Summer Wiener and all the other people. So yeah, see you guys on the next The Wild Yoshi vlog. So yeah, bye.
Good morning, good evening. I hope you like dreaming. You live to learn and you learn to live. It's positive and negative. I can't sleep, but I dream big.